Hello, Namaskar everyone, and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika, and today in this video, we'll be doing a project overview of Matashri Serenity Moshi, which is located in Bhimnagar Moshi, Pune, and developed by Matashri Group. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। मातोश्री सेरेनिटी मोशी will be constructed on 0.75 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Tower will be having basement plus ground plus 14 floors with 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में। तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस, और उसी के पास में आपको दिख जाएगा रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल। कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर सिटी स्पोर्ट्स अरीना मोशी पुणे। और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है डी मार्ट विद इन 3.3 किलोमीटर, Zudio within 3.6 km, and MIT Alandi within 4.6 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like chit chat corner, party lawn, festival lawn, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, senior sit-out area, and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Matashri Serenity Moshi has 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences with 1 BHK starting from 443 square feet and 2 BHK starting from 663 to 686 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site. Also, our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model. We'll share the pricing and payment schemes, and we'll show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Matashri Serenity Moshi, which is located near Bhimnagar, Moshi, Pune, and developed by Matashri Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक, एंड डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey ऑन www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.